Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I've got my little pistol out again. You would have seen the last video I showed you how to add this little rifle stock or detachable rifle stock here at the bottom, and I've done a little bit more work to it. So I've also added this adapter here that's got a Picatinny at the bottom, and that allows me to mount a little bipod, and I love it. I absolutely love it. I know not everyone is mad about it. I got some funny comments saying that this thing is dog ugly, and which is fine. For me, it works. It does what it's supposed to do, and that makes me happy. So I'm going to be using this mostly for shooting in the backyard, and then as a pistol I'll use it for shooting in the competition still. But everything is detachable and it's quick to detach it, so no problems for myself. Another addition to the channel is managed to get a little chronograph. So that's also something new to the channel and something I'm looking forward to using, and I actually have used it quite a bit since I got it as well. So it does actually speak. It tells you how fast it is. The accent is not always very easy to hear, but let me show you. .497 feet per second. So what I'm going to do, got a target set up down there, going to just turn it around, going to make a 5-shot group. Let's see how it goes. Alright, so what we're shooting JSB exacts. These are 8.44 grains. Got the target at 15 meters. I don't have a camera on the target at the moment, but I'll show you what it looks like after we've shot the group. So let's see how it goes. I'm also just listening to see what kind of consistency I get in terms of feet per second. So this is a new cartridge. It's got about 5 shots through it. So let's see what happens. .507. .505. So far pretty consistent. It is winter here now, so pretty cool, but not too bad. .507. So one thing I have noticed with the CO2, in the standard form, so without any modifications for power, it is pretty consistent, which is nice. However, when you do start to play around and look for more power, it tends to kind of drop off pretty quickly. So just something to keep in mind. Last one, 504. Let's take one more. .501. So between 501 and 507, 5 shots. That's pretty consistent in my book. So let me go grab the target and show you what it looks like. Alright, so definitely a nice little group there. That was 5 shots. The one was a little bit low, but the other 4 are all basically touching. And that's at 15 meters, so not too shabby. Let's quickly measure it up. yeah, so the biggest distance, center to center, around about 12.5 millimeters. So definitely more than acceptable for what we're using and for the distance that we're shooting. I'm pretty chuffed with that. And yeah, I'm going to shoot a bit more. Hope to see you guys soon, and happy shooting.